Lila and the Lost Bracelet. A short moral story. Lila was a kind-hearted girl who wore a special bracelet every day, a gift from her grandmother. It had tiny silver charms and sparkled in the sun. One morning, while playing in the park, Lila noticed the bracelet was gone. Her heart sank. She retraced her steps, checked under benches, and looked through the grass. No bracelet. Just as she was about to cry, she saw a little boy holding it. "That's mine," she said. But the boy clutched it tightly and shook his head. "I found it. It's mine now." Instead of getting angry, Lila took a deep breath and said kindly, "That bracelet was a gift from my grandma. It means a lot to me. If you give it back, I'll let you play on the swing first." The boy paused, then slowly handed it over. "Okay," he whispered. Lila smiled and kept her promise. They played together and became friends. Later that day, Lila told her grandma, "Kindness helped me more than anger ever could." Moral: kindness and patience can solve problems better than anger. A gentle heart often wins where force fails. Thank you for watching.